Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiara here. If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you know I'm a really clean, neat person. Like, I like to keep things tidy. Always have, always will. But one thing that was very interesting when I got my first apartment was the fact that I actually had to deep clean stuff. In the sorority house, we had someone clean our bathrooms, but in your own apartment, no matter how clean you are, you still have to like literally scrub the toilet. And I just thought it would be very motivational and interesting to show you guys my cleaning routine. Maybe it'll motivate you guys to do some cleaning of your own. Really like living in a clean environment, and I'll just share. I don't know, I'm not an expert, so mom, if you're watching this and telling me I'm doing something wrong, I'm sorry. This is just what I do and it works, and I feel like Taylor and I live in a pretty clean, nice environment. We're gonna see how much I can get done in literally like maybe I'll set a timer of like 2 hours and 30 minutes. I want to do laundry, clean the entire apartment, vacuum, take out the trash, do the whole thing. My typical routine. I just got out of my anatomy midterm. It went really well, so we're about to celebrate because we're free from studying and now we can clean. The first thing that I always get started with is my laundry. So I'm gonna strip my bed and then wash all my sheets, do all my laundry. This video is gonna be a lot of time lapsing and just talking, maybe some updates about my life. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so yeah. Fun fact, I actually love doing laundry. It's my test. I can't lose this. I've been doing my own laundry since I was 8 years old. So when I got to college, it wasn't one of those things where I was like, I don't really know what I'm doing, which is good. Yeah. Oh, God. To the laundry. Oh wait, I need towels, bathroom towels, one more towel, and then also the towels from our kitchen because I honestly think that those get the dirtiest. One thing I love about our apartment is the fact that we have this laundry utility room. It's great. I can keep all my skis, crafts, laundry stuff in here. Okay, cool. The rest is darks. Also, this is super random, but at my laundry, okay, whoa, I like don't know whether to use up the rest of this. Like almost out, but not quite. Now I poured too much. Okay, better. Did I do it? No, you have to press it twice. Cool. So laundry, check. The next thing I do that also takes up time, so I like to get it started, is to do the dishes. The dishwasher is really full. The dishwasher pods, these things are really great. We just get the Target version. Little pod in here. You hit start, flip the sign, of course. I'm going to clean off all the countertops and put away like the dishes on the countertops. So hopefully all the surfaces can be cleaned, and then I'm gonna vacuum. I'm just using this like Method all-purpose cleaner stuff. Let's get started.
Swallow it, take me away to Neverland, what colors fade my disbelief.
All right, now it is time for my least favorite cleaning activity, the bathroom. I'm gonna actually change because in like Lulu pants, and I don't really feel like getting bleach on them. So I'm gonna put on shorts just to show you guys how gross it gets sometimes. Do you see this? Like, I keep things so clean, but there's like all this, I don't know, dust. The thing about me is that if I'm gonna do the job, I'm gonna get it done right. I'm really gonna get in there. I feel like some teenagers, not at anyone, do kind of like a half-hearted job, which to me, I'm just like, what's the point of that? You're wasting all your time. If you're gonna do it, you might as well commit. Honestly, if I could pick one cleaning product for the rest of my life, it would be Windex. It's so satisfying. Comment down below what you would pick.
Up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control.
Now it's just the toilet bowl and I. First, you have to flush the toilet bowl, and then you just get to scrub it. Enjoy this little montage.
Put the pedal to the floor, flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up.
I almost forgot to dust the outside of the toilet, which honestly is really dirty right now. Now, it's tub time. Usually I do this right after I take a shower because then it's all softened. I did not take a shower this morning, so we're gonna just get in there and run some water. But the hair is gonna come up for this bad boy. I'm using this little brush thing that I got at a container store and the soft scrub, and we're just gonna get in there and get her done. Oh. the next step is to clean my room. Now, my room is usually really clean, but right now it's not. I'm in the middle of ski season and I just like come home and unpack and things are just a little distraught. This is probably like the messiest I think my room has ever been. So let's just do a little tour. We've got all these papers and stuff on my bedside table, makeup products out, shoes out. I don't even know. All my ski stuff from last weekend is out and it's all dry, so it needs to go away. A bunch of clothes that need to be hung up. This is of course my bedding, and then shoes and random stuff. I'm gonna clean everything and put it all away so that way I can dust my desk and my dresser, which are like the two things that I usually clean. I can do like a full apartment vacuum, but I just like to clean all the surfaces first. I'm gonna turn on some music. Let's just listen to, I don't know, I feel like today's hits is classic, and I feel like it also educates me on the music of the times. And I don't pay for any music services, so commercials, here we come.
It's your perfect word. Can't push set up. We're not living in a frame, and this ain't just a game.
Okay, so I just finished dusting everything in my room, cleaning my desk, the windowsill, the dresser, the mirror. I just wanted to tackle one more project today. This is, prepare yourself, this is my makeup drawer, and it has all the organizational cavities, but the organization just is not there, and it's really bothering me. So today we're gonna kind of like clean it out, throw away the boxes and stuff. I can't remember if it was this summer or the summer before that. I did like a makeup cleanup video. I think it's so funny because I literally like hoard the boxes of stuff. I don't know why. I'm usually like really good about getting rid of my stuff too, but like I hoard the boxes. All right, so I just reorganized this drawer. It looks way better now, so things are kind of like in their spot. Sorry if you can't hear me because the dishwasher is still on. And now we're on to the next task, which is taking out the trash. And we have a lot of trash and recycling. Fantastic. Just realized that my laundry's done, so now we can switch them. I think this is why I like laundry so much, because it's like a great little break and then you just transition over and switch the laundry. I have a lot of trash and recycling today, so I'm definitely gonna have to make 2 trips. I'm also gonna freeze my butt off because I'm still wearing shorts, so. I'm low-key really hungry and want a snack. So I got one of these bowls. This is the Evolve grilled chicken wild rice with vegetables and a basil pesto sauce. And I'm just gonna put this in because I kind of have a lot to do today. All right, lunch is served. All right, so I just demolished my lunch. My hair like hurts in this ponytail. Yeah, I just thought I would tell you guys a little fun story. A lot of you guys asked me like, oh my God, you're so clean. What happened to you? The funny thing is that something did actually happen to me. When I was like, I wanna say like 11-ish, my mom called my dad before school and was like, Kiara needs to clean her room before school. And I was being a little bit sassy, I'll admit it. I was like, yeah, no way am I gonna clean my room. Fast forward to the end of the school day and I'm coming home on the school bus, look onto my front lawn, and there I see like a large pile of something. So I proceed to walk home from school, and as I approach my house, I realized that the large pile that I saw on my front lawn was all my stuff in my room. Like literally everything that was on my floor, everything that I owned, had just been taken and put on our lawn. So of course, naturally, I was like very upset about this. 11-year-old me wrote a very hateful diary entry, but it's kind of fun to look back on, if I'm being honest. That took me a really long time to bring all of that stuff that was in my room back into my room and put it away and actually clean it. And ever since that experience, I have literally been a neat freak. There's just something about it that just feels cleansing. Like if you're really stressed in your life, but at least you have a clean environment, then things are going well. Comment down below like what level of neat freak are you? So momentary issue. I don't know like why, if the vacuum is just really bad, but this also happens for a vacuum at home that literally it just spews the particles out when the vacuum hits it. It doesn't suck them up. So I don't know why like the vacuum doesn't like the hardwood floors, but it's really annoying. So I'm gonna try to sweep up the crumbs, like the actual particles, and then do like a vacuum, because then that'll get all the stuff on the carpet. I don't know why vacuums gotta be like this. We are down to the last thing. It's time to Swiffer. Oh my god, was I really not recording that entire time? I just cleaned the whole kitchen. Okay, well, round 2. My laundry's almost done and the dishwasher's done, so I'm gonna put away the dishes. Look who's here. My camera died, like I said it would, so now we charged it, we're back. We did a little trip to the mall, and now we're folding the laundry. Pointless trip to the mall. We always go to that mall, and you know, we just never, ever find what you want. That is all for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys got, I don't know, inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of like clean, organized with me videos, because I can totally make more. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a ton on there and I really love interacting with you guys. Yeah, let me know that this video sent you. Bye.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't see